Just a quick video on how to install the anti-theft retaining clips. We sell these in a 2-pack and a 6-pack, as you can see in the background. So obviously open up the packet and you will find a white inner and a black outer. Try not to lose the white inner. So what you want to do is you'll get your safety chain, your New Zealand rated safety chain, and you put your shackle through the safety chain. And then you want to get your retaining clip and you're going to put it over the weld side. So you're pulling the retaining clip through the non-welded side of the chain to make it easier for yourself. You can put these in warm water like a mouth guard to heat up first. Then you want to use your multi-grips to pull the retaining clip through the chain link. That should just pop through there. Can be a little bit tricky sometimes. Like so. Then you want to get your white retaining inner and a piece of wood. Yep. And then you're going to insert that into the other side of the retaining clip. It's pretty self-explanatory. And then what you're going to do is get a hammer and tap that white inner into the black outer. And that should stop the retaining clip from being forced back out. Now if you do want to remove it, you can drill the other side of the black outer and then you can just use a punch to tap the white inner back out and you should be able to pop it back out. But it stops people from stealing them, and unless they have a drill at the boat ramp. But good luck to them if they've got a drill at the boat ramp, they're going to take it anyway.